Hey there, here's a quick PSA for 3D artists. So as you may know, some websites like CG Trader or Sketchfab or TurboSquid, some of the artists on that platform, they offer free 3D assets, which is pretty wonderful. And the common issue though with those websites is that the quality that you get out of those free assets is not really great. So if you're looking for high quality assets that you want to use for free, my recommendation goes to the ArtStation marketplace. So how do you get those? What would be the easiest way to find those free 3D assets? So you go into Shop, Marketplace, click on Free, and all of these assets are available for free. And of course that includes some reference images, which you may find super useful for drawing or for sculpting, along with many other things, as you can see here. Photoshop brushes, and even some of them are like stylized assets, so it's good to study those. Sometimes you find modular assets kit. Yeah, so I highly recommend it, and you can simply just add it to your library and it becomes in your library, so you can download it and use those assets. You can also find things like alpha images that you can use for sculpting. I also found some trim sheets that I found to be really useful for my experimentations. And of course, sometimes you don't really know what you're looking for, so you can just go there and browse and see what is available for free on that day, and you can just download it and it becomes in your library. All right, I hope this video was helpful.